Manual sourcing is the best Amazon online arbitrage product research method, but it's also the most confusing for beginners. But with Easter coming up this weekend, I want to give you guys a full tutorial on manual sourcing so you can take full advantage on tons of the steals and deals that are going on at basically every big retailer this week for the best sourcing week of the year so far. So if you're new to our channel, welcome. SellerAmp is the premier Amazon product research, profit calculator, and product research tool. You can get a free trial on our website, selleramp.com. If you have any questions about any of the strategies you see in this video, please let us know down below, and let's hop right in and manual source some profitable products. All right, guys, so we're here inside my screen, and I saw PUMA actually has a 30% off code for Easter and spring this weekend. I've had some success manual sourcing the PUMA website in the past. Personally, I don't think it makes much sense to do manual sourcing on any website you don't already know has a bunch of profitable products, because that's a great formula to waste a bunch of time, unfortunately. Stick to mainly storefront stocking like you guys see in our other videos primarily, and then once you have some of your favorite suppliers, especially anytime a holiday comes around like Easter this weekend, or Memorial Day, Father's Day, and Mother's Day, and 4th of July also coming up in the next few months, then each time that website has a deal, you're going to be ready to go ahead and execute. So luckily, you can see what discounts different websites have. Typically, they'll show on their homepage if they have a sale going on. And now we can click into the actual sales section of the website and see there's currently 2,000 SKUs that this discount works on that we get an additional 30% off with the purchase of over 125 here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter down to more common type of items that I see in general have a good hit rate. So I'm going to go ahead and filter into the black color. So we can see now 651 products here, especially on a website where you're newer to, you want to get really specific on it because you want to have the highest hit rate in terms of converting to profitability possible. And then what we're going to do is we're going to find items that we think we could see for selling for double or more on Amazon. Then we're going to reference over to Amazon and actually find a couple winning products here. So I'm also going to go gender and put men's here just because I have the highest hit rate in terms of men's products. I know that stuff best. Now, what I also like to do is I'm going to come here and where it says sort by, I'm going to filter lowest to highest so I can see all the listings that are cheapest that typically tend to be the most discounted. Now, as I scroll through here, I'm subconsciously thinking in my head, okay, I get another 30% off this lowest price, right? What could I see selling for double or more on Amazon? And for whatever reason, the PUMA website crashes on Chrome for a lot of people, so you might have to do it on Safari like I'm doing in this video. So we can see these shorts, picking them up for right around 10 bucks. I could see those going for 20 plus on Amazon. Let's open those up, right? These slides, could maybe see those going for, 20 plus on Amazon. We'll take a look at that. This listing right here, it's a little bit too weird of a color, not super common. So we're not going to worry about any of this stuff here, right? However, this listing, nice and basic t-shirt, picking it up for like 11 bucks. See that doing well. Same thing with these shorts right here and such, right? So pretty quickly, you're going to pick up on a lot of common stuff that we can go ahead and look up here. $11 for these camo slides looks like a potentially good opportunity and such, right? Black and red slides here looks like a potentially good opportunity. Another one of these logo tees here, pretty cheap as well. And then the cool thing is we can scroll up. We're also going to see some shoes. If we go load up a couple, you can go ahead and load up a couple, get a little bit further deeper here, open some shoes as well. But you want to go through this entire process each time your favorite website has deals. And then eventually over time, you're going to have replen spreadsheets within SellerAmp Google Sheets and such, and it's going to make it a lot easier to execute. Like for example, these shoes, picking them up for like 26, I could totally see that being good. Same thing with these guys right here. All right, let's see right here, boom. So we just want to open these up. Then we're going to go ahead and reference over to Amazon and see what we can track down profitably. So now we have this product here. We know we're getting an additional 30% off. We can nicely see they got tons of different sizes in stock. All we need to do from here, guys, is copy this over and plug it in on Amazon, and we're going to see what we can do here. So let's see, we got, we got both colors here. So we can see 36 times 0.7 right here, 36 times 0.7 right here. So we can see, yeah, we're picking these up for 25 bucks. So they're going for around like 50. Going to be nice and profitable here. I have about a 7% sales tax factored in on my SellerAmp as well, for anyone wondering that, right? So we can see here, right? We can see, so this listing is an unknown sales rank, so we're probably not going to worry about that. These listings can still be fine, but typically it's going to be a little bit harder to navigate that here. We can see going for about 45 bucks, picking up for about 21. Only about a 10% ROI there after shipping, fees, sales tax, everything. So we're going to pass on that, unfortunately, here. Okay, let's see. These sneakers, we're here. Ooh, so some of these sizes are actually out of stock, it looks like. So that tends to be a good sign. Right here. So PUMA black, white. So just copy and paste this in and plug this guy in, and let's see what we can do here. Okay, so these shoes, ooh, okay. All right, I got a very good feeling about this, considering I believe this is the right one. It's going for 70 right here. Let's see. So let's see, we got some bigger sizes here. Oh, okay, so this is actually profitable here. The problem is the sales rank is really, really high. Sales rank's about 9 million here. So even though this is nice and profitable here, that's definitely going to be a pass, unfortunately. Even if we're here at 36 times 0.7 there, because once again, we need listings that sell quick. SellerAmp shows this listing as a 9.14 million rank. So we're going to pass on that. And we can see, taking a look at the chart here, no movement. So unfortunately going to be something we're going to pass on. Yeah, let's see. Okay. These bungee shoes. That's a nice thing is you can get into rhythm pretty quick here too and like analyze a lot of stuff quick. And at the, ooh, that was a majorly complicated search right there. PUMA shoes. Let's simplify that right here. Okay, so these black and red ones here. So we've got a little bit of potential opportunity here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Dark shadow red. Let's see. We got these ones on here. Okay, so those are white and black ones. These are like blue, so we're not going to worry about those. Okay, 60K rank ain't bad right here. Let's see. Okay, black and red ones here. Yeah, 44. Okay, check this out. So we're here at 36. So 36 take off 30%. So we multiply the thing by 0.7 right there. So we're 36 right here. 36 right here. So we multiply that. So we're at 25 here. Once again, about 10% ROI. Feel free to take a look at some of these other sizes as well here, but not going to be quite good, but definitely going to be pretty close on a skew like this. Let's see. Once again, oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, so a little bit higher of a rank here. Let's see, $50. Okay, here we go. So this is the first listing of the day here. So let's see, 36. Then we want to go ahead and take off that 30% here, right? So we can see pretty close to a good ROI here. Very, very close. What I would want to do in this case is one-click export this out to a SellerAmp almost good spreadsheet here. So I could go ahead and take a look at this in the future because we can see on the chart here that in the past, this has been, 53 and such, right? Which even 53 was consistently hanging out close to like 55 in January a little bit and such too. Even at 53 where it was for a while, right? We're now above 35% ROI. That's coming close to being good, especially if the cash back is good on this website. Then you'd also definitely want to check a lot of the other sides as well, see if any of those are consistently hanging out, 55, 60, etc. And that's the cool thing about listings that have variations, guys. You get a lot of opportunity with that stuff. Okay, so let's see. So we're paying once again about 25 here. Let's see, let's plug this in here. Okay, SD black white. Yeah, 49. Looking like those are different right here. Let's see, anything matching these guys? Yeah, so okay. Is that the right thing though? Let's see that leather material here. Yeah, okay, I think it is. Okay. Ooh, that's suede. Yeah, okay, that's okay, we'll have to investigate this further. Okay. Let's see. Because this does have 46 reviews here. Let's see. So yeah, okay. Unfortunately, sales rank is super high, about 300K, so we're going to pass on that. Let's see. Okay, essentials, #1 logo tee, PUMA. Let's see. See what we got. You can just like nicely assembly line it here. Okay, so this looks like they don't have the listing for the one in the top right here. Did have that other one open though. Let's see. Yeah, Heather T. Here we go. So we're paying like $11. So let's see. Black white here. So what we can also do is we can get a little fancy here. Black white, and then go in and plug in like 22 here as a minimum right here and just nicely filter it there. And we'd see, okay, yeah, check that out. Like the gray one. Okay, so they don't have that. Let's see. Forest Night here. Yeah, once again, 1 million ranks, so we're not going to worry about that. So obviously not every product's going to be good, but even if we can find like one thing, for every 30 minutes, every hour, like eventually that compounds like crazy because there's going to be products you can rebuy too. Let's see. Okay, black red here. We got yes, they got the black red here too. So we want these hanging out at like 29 plus and such. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, black red. Yep, 16 here. All right, so we can see size 9 here. 86K rank. Right, yeah, 27. Okay, here we go. First winner of the day here, guys. So 15.99, take off 30% here, right? So we plug this in. So we got this at about $11 buy cost, moving at 27. Key here is this is really, really light. This does not actually weigh 1 pound. They ship these in polymailers. So that's an example of an incorrect weight that's being reported from Amazon. So this is actually going to FBM really, really light here. So if we scroll down here, we can FBM this thing probably at about $5-6 here, right? And now this becomes good. And for whatever reason, Amazon's just reporting that as 1 pound. I've sold some of this brand. I know that the slides don't actually weigh 1 pound. So that's not bad whatsoever there. And the key here, guys, is we also want to take a look at some of these other sizes and colors as well, because there might also be some additional money here, right? So we can see like 24, That's pretty close for the black and white ones, right? We'd want to take a look at some of these other ones as well, some of these other sides and such, 24. So a bunch of these are flirting with being good. They're just not quite good currently. Have they been good in the past though? We go ahead and plug this in. Let's see, keep a chart right here. Yeah, like we can see, like this was hanging out at 29 for, a month straight here. So that's profitable on $11 buy cost here. So 11 and 28 right there. So we can see that's a nice 50% ROI right there. That was literally good and pretty replenishable. This deal happens pretty often. So what I would also want to do is that one size was good, right? I would also want to go ahead and put this on an almost good spreadsheet in SellerAmp to come back and take a look at that specific one in the future and such, right, as well. Now what we could also do is search like women's slides as well, like those cool cat ones, like we had a good feeling about those and such. We can see, yeah, women's ones are really, really nice and cheap as well. We can go plug those in on Amazon, right? So you start to see the patterns and such. PUMA women's slides here, right? So we can see, yeah, check that out, like 13,000 reviews right here, right? Another one with like 26,000 reviews, right? We could also put in a like $28 minimum here to find a really nice profit, right? And we'd see like black and pink ones. Let's see. They have black and pink on here. I can do color. Let's see, pink. Okay, so it looks like they don't have that black and pink one right there. You can see all black though at 30. Let's see right here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, check that out. $30 right there. 11. Those filters are really, really nice too. So let's see which one's up here. Size 9. So size 9's at 23. We can pick it up for, yeah, like 11.25. Fairly actually close to being good there. But we can see not quite good would be an FBM flip. Has been very good though in the past. Check out on that Keepa, guys. Has been consistently right up around 27. Right at 27 right here. That's a nice product. Really, really low fees on that too, but that's an accurate FBM cost for that. So that's cool, right? Is a size 7 going to be good today? 27. Yeah, look at that. Cool. So sweet. Here we go. Right. So paying 11.25 here. Right, we can see nice and light, 7 ounces, about a 50% ROI, $6 profit a piece, FBM. Gotta love that. We can see it's FBM friendly as well. Absolutely the way to do it. And such here. And then we can see $11 right here, buying for 11, selling for 30 right here, $15.99. Not good. Plug in the coupon. Good right there. So really, really solid stuff. So you guys can see, like, we take a look through a couple stuff. We saw those slides were an opportunity. A lot of them were close or good on those men's ones. Take a look over here at the women's ones. And then what you can also do is when you see people that are selling a lot of PUMA stuff, you have a decent idea where that inventory is coming from. It's coming from the PUMA website. We also have that discount going on, so you can storefront stock from there too, or just keep doing the manual sourcing method as well. But my big tips for doing manual are make sure it's a website you've had success on or you've seen other people have success on, especially PUMA mainly comes from the PUMA website. So when they got a deal going on, good opportunity. Have a burner email address that you get fed deals on all the time. Be leveraging Cardbear and Top Cashback for additional discounts via discounted gift cards. Make sure to be using all the cashback sites as well as Capital One Shopping and Coupon Birds to find additional coupons. And that's the name of the game with manual sourcing. It's going to take a while to get good, but over time, you're going to see the sales cycles repeat and have a bunch of opportunity to actually rebuy the same inventory and make money again and again on the same products. And that's the name of the game. Make sure you're staying organized with the SellerAmp Google Sheets as well. Subscribe for more. Check out our website for a free trial, selleramp.com. Let us know any questions, and we'll see you guys in the next one.